Welcome, in front of me is a Honor 20 Lite, and today I'll show you how to put the device into download mode. And to get started, you want to hold power key, from here select power off, and when the device shuts off you want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. And when you see the Honor logo, let go of the keys. And once you are in the recovery mode, which is what it is visible right now, simply select update mode, and then from here you have a bunch of different options to update. You can go through e-recovery mode, USB update mode, or memory card OTG update mode. So whichever way you want to go, simply select it. I can go with the USB because I am already plugged into my computer. So once you select one of those, it will start going through the process right here. Now this will be stuck at 5% for basically the entire time. So it will look like it's basically frozen, but just give it several minutes and it will finish it up, and then automatically, I believe, once it's finished up, it's gonna reboot the device. So I'll be back once that has actually happened. And as you can see, now the process finished, the device has rebooted. So I'm just gonna put in the pin for the SIM card, and there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.